Do you or someone you know suffer from erectile dysfunction? If so, come see me here at Furman Mini of Tampa Bay. I will steer you away from one of these cars that confident people drive and show you this 2019 Cadillac Escalade. This thing is a monster. It's got everything you need to make your thing look bigger. Big wheels, got it. Big hitch, got it. Enormous speaker box, got it. Who needs cargo room? This thing is so big that even as tall as I am at 6'4", hang on, see if I can get in this thing. Oh my God. Takes a man to climb into this truck. Has only 44,800 miles and it's ready to go home with somebody today. Come see me at Mini of Tampa Bay.